service.
Ona rukungu rutagwite thutha wa kamiti ya kuramata mishara SLC gukenerera ikinya ria kuruguria mubangire mweru wa mirihire ya mishara kuri aruti wira wa muingi. Ngwataniro ya marigitari guku bururi-ini niyo KMPDU ne yumiritie kunyururia ripoti ino.
What we saw yesterday was an exercise that was meant to dupe the public and meant to, sugarcoat the issues that workers go through.
Kuringana nao, kwa ihinda ria miaka 3 gukoretwo na miario gatagati kao na thirikari makienda mariho mishara igana-ini na wira uria marutaga.
We have been on a quest for better pay for the longest time possible. As we speak, the basic salary of a doctor still remains 40,000 Kenya shillings.
No na thengia ya kugia na uiguaniro wigie mishara iria mabatie kurihwo, thirikari ndeigana kurutithia uiguaniro uyu wira.
The 20th of June 2015, when government, SRC, the Ministry of Labor, the Ministry of Health were not intending to implement a collective bargaining agreement that was duly signed, we sued them. The court made their judgment, and we have the judgment here, on the 6th of October 2016. And the judgment was very clear that doctors deserve their pay.
Marauga ihinda riria SRC irahetwo ni igoti riathirire tariki 3 mweri-ini uyu na matire na ihinda ringi ria gweterera.
Today, want to issue a 21-day strike notice that on the 5th of December, if these salaries are not paid to us, all hospitals in this country shall remain closed.
Hamwe na kuigamiro yao thi ni marutite mikana ya gutiga mawira. Wakorwo ino noyo njira iria ingituma thirikari imarihe mishara iria mabatie kuheo. Onao aruna rungu rwa ngwataniro ya arigitani na marutite mukana wa kugomera wira makiuga no nginya thirikari etie uiguaniro uria mekiranire thaini na wigie mishara.
The Kenya National Union of Nurses today issued to the government 21-day strike notice. Yes. You say yes? Yes.
Ngwataniro ino ya arigitani oho ne irutite mukana kuri thirikari cia matura iria irathagathagia amemba ao. Hihi thirikari ni igwikirira mikana ino ithatie mugomo uyu wa marigitari na arigitani kana igweterera tariki 5 mweri turorete. Handu-ini ha Uhoro TV ritwa riakwa ni Wangui wa Mwangi.